So I tell you something. The moment I see, like, these guys, I don't know, do you call it, like shamrock? So they normally have 3 leaves. So this is my kind of obsession. The moment I see them on the ground, I'm like this. And guess what happened? I stopped the bike and I found, wait, 4. That's 1. Another one. 4. And wait, 5 leaves. See? 5. 5 leaves. We made it to Takaka, a little town. Looks like a little tourist town. A lot of little shops, that sort of stuff. Anyway, we're not staying here because I want to get to the coast. So the coast is not too far from here. I'm hoping I'll be able to camp at the coast, but we'll see how we go. I just came here to see, just how this peninsula looks like. But this town is super cute. Huh. And old. Look at the buildings. Penguins crossing? No. Are they there? Like now? No. I don't think so. I think they're hiding. Oh, sure. Sorry, focus. I think they're hiding. Oh. Oh, they have actually few types of penguins. I think 8 types of penguins. They are in New Zealand, so I would love to see some of them. Oh, that would be magic. Look at the shape of these rocks. Oh, I think we're gonna go through the tunnel. Wait. Quickly, let's prepare the camera on time. Oh, come on. Like, honestly, this one is so slow. Like, it has to think like a billion times by the time. Okay, you're ready. Okay, here we go. Ah, wow. It's like driving through a cave tunnel. You know what I mean? Cool. So peaceful. How beautiful, eh? Oh, look at that. That's a nice beach, but the tide is low, so I reckon it would be quite an effort to swim today. It's just the water's so long way out. Hey, we're on gravel now. About 2 kilometers. Well, so I don't know. I just found this marking on Google that there is some camping in a bush. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. And you can't do reservations, you just rock up and pay. So maybe that will be the spot. Oh, wait. This is cool. I think someone is into bikes. Rata camping. Please take brochure. Okay. Okay. Do they have like camping? So it's like a retreat, eco retreat, and I looked at on Google. I mean, all the rooms are taken, but I'm after camping anyway, so let's ask. Or maybe not. Stop. No, this is definitely stop. Please. Campers follow signs. Do not use intercom. Oh my god. Rata camp, that way. Okay. This is nice. Whew. It's like, oh, I like. Look at that. Oh wow, some bikers. Doesn't look like there's anyone here. But, oh, the sun's gonna come up. The sun will come up. We're just gonna go here. And here we have an awesome kitchen and living area. Look at that. That's a great setup. There's even a shower. Probably a warm one. That is so cool. And that's it. End of tour. Time to set up my tent. All right. Everything is ready. I've got all prepared. But you know what? On this occasion, I wanted to actually tell you something. Because on this ride, I'm testing a few new products from my supporters. So Quadlog, my official sponsor, they sent me this one. This is a brake clutch mount. So I'll show you. So yeah, this is how it looks like in the packet, and voila, this is how it's mounted on the bike. So this is a simple mount. I don't have vibration dampener installed on the strip, but to be honest, I am using an Android phone, so my phones are not sensitive to vibration. So I traveled like this without it for like, I don't know, 5 years. So just recently I installed a dampener on my Chile bike, but for here it's good enough. I like this, and I like this location. It's so cool that they keep coming up with new ideas and new places to mount, hey? And I also need to show you my gear from Rocky Creek Designs, my forever supporters. This guy's been supporting me with yeah, mini compressors pretty much since the beginning of my round the world trip. I also have like this, I'm using their zip locks, so I use that sort of stuff to sometimes just to attach my helmet and leave it, you know, somewhere on the parking. Or if I'm leaving my bag at the back for too long, I would lock it at the back as well to the bike. And I also got a little tire gauge. Clearly I still haven't been using it because I can see my tire gauge here. And this is a new thing. I've never used this before, but it's perfect for this trip because the bike is not mine, so I didn't connect anything to the battery. So this compressor it's a chargeable one. So you get like you can charge it, you know, like with a C cable, and then that's it. You charge it and you connect this and you pump your tire. How good is this? I did test it. It's super cool. And I also got a chair. Look at that. Haha. The chair is called Lightweight Folding Chair. Rocky Creek Designs. The way to go. Actually, these guys are from Africa, but they live in Australia. So, there you go. I'll show you how it looks like. It's blue. And voila. This is the chair. There you go. You ready? Living the dream. some neighbors. And now we're ready to camp. It's time to prepare lunch. I'm gonna do it all by myself. Recently I'm really into cooking, like from fresh, and my obsession is with smashed veggies. So I did show you that one on the other video, but I'm gonna show it to you again because that's pretty much, I'm eating it every second day. Sorry that, but today I've got an upgrade. I got a sweet potato, so we got a potato, got a carrot, got an onion, shallot, and garlic. We're gonna cook it all together and mash it. It will be delicious. Oh, and I'm gonna add dehydrated peas. It's gonna be delicious. Gonna eat it with the skin. I don't know. Is that a sweet potato? We'll find out. I thought sweet potatoes are pink, and this one's like that. Oh well, we'll eat it. So I'm not sure if that skin is okay or not. We're just gonna peel it a bit. As much as my t-shirt. Chop, 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 chop. It's all happening. I also added a stock, vegetable stock, and smoked paprika and a bit of chili. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy. Okay, last bit. Ooh, I hope it's gonna all fit in there. I really don't think it's a sweet potato. I reckon it's sort of like a cassava. I don't know. I know cassava from Africa. I don't know what is the name of this here. All right. Ooh, it's gonna be so healthy. My professional chopping board. Pure goodness. That's it. I drained the water. Well, actually stock. I'm gonna drink it. So 2 meals in one thing, and now we're gonna mash it. Mash it. Well, maybe I should make them a little bit more softer. That's alright. We've got a good fork now. It looks a little bit like baby's food. And voila, mashed veggies are ready. Let's try. I'm sure it's delicious. I forgot. I'm supposed to add a little bit of parsley. Why not? Make it even more healthy. Alright, let's try now. Oh yeah, this stuff is so good and super healthy. Right, back to my documentary about UFOs. I'm obsessed with UFOs now. Plenty of that on Netflix. And this is my entertainment unit. Quad lock, selfie stick. The best. Good morning. That was a good night. Quite actually a lot of people here at the end. Right. Well, today is going to be a big day because I'm planning to get to the Rainbow Station and do some kilometers through the Rainbow Road, which is gravel, apparently scenic and beautiful. So, and if I'm lucky, I'm going to catch up with someone today on the Rainbow Road. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So this is the beach. The tide is even lower than yesterday. You can't even see water. It's so far away. Yeah, it was not the perfect timing to come here and explore the coast. But I'm so surprised. Like the tide is like really like low. Anyway, but at least we know how it is here. Time to head south now. That may take a while. Don't get distracted. Now I know that you're not supposed to talk to the cows because they get distracted. There's a lot of them, hey. Oh, hello! Oh my God, you scared me! Jesus! Hello! And you guys like motorbikes, hey? Cow dogs always love motorbikes. Hello! Hi! Yeah, you're so sweet. Hello. Yeah, he's doing a good job. Oh wow, that's a lot of dogs. Hello! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. Bye doggies. Huh. I think some cows got lost. Where you guys are going? Rebels. Spot. No, we're going that way. I'll do the dog's job. Hello. There you go. See? Everyone coming
In
one
200
place.
meters, turn right onto Abel Tasman Drive.
Okay, I'll wait here. You guys don't get distracted. These dogs are good. Wow. Huh. Doing a great job, hey? Bye. That's it. The job is done.